This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal laid the foundation stone of Indo-Israeli Centre of Excellence for Vegetables Protected Cultivation near Guwahati in presence of Israeli Ambassador to India Dr. Ron Malka yesterday. The 10.33 crore rupees project is expected to bolster the agricultural activities in the state by providing exposure to latest Israeli technologies. Hoping that the Centre of Excellence would provide a major boost to agricultural and horticultural production in Assam, the Chief Minister said that it would be a value addition to the government's efforts to double farmers' income. Speaking on this occasion, Dr. Malka underlined the close bond of friendship between India and Israel in the recent years. In Nagaland, the polling for the bypolls to the 14 Southern Angami 1 and 60 Pungro Kiphire Assembly Constituencies has begun from 6 a.m. and will continue up to 4 p.m. today. The electorate for the by-election contains 43,088 voters. The PDA consensus candidate Medo Woka of NDPP, Kikovi Kirha of NPF and independent candidate Seville Peter Zashumo are in the fray for Southern Angami 1 seat. For Pungro Kiphire seat, PDA consensus candidate Lirimong Sangtam of BJP, Kasiu Anar from Congress Party and 3 independent candidates K. Shelumthong, T. Wangsio Sangtam and Kisumeo Yamchunger are contesting. The 13,588 electors of Southern Angami 1 Assembly Constituency and also the 29,500 electorate of Pungro Kiphire Assembly Constituency will decide the fate of these candidates. The counting of votes to these two constituencies will take place on the 10th of November. In Manipur, 9 persons expired due to COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total fatality due to the pandemic in the state to 180. On the other hand, 341 persons, including 28 personnel from the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, making the total count of positive cases so far in the state to 19,091. Among the new cases, 313 persons are locals and do not have travel history. 278 persons were discharged yesterday in the state and the recovery rate is 80.36%. So far, Manipur has recorded total recovered and discharged cases of 15,343, while the number of active cases is 3,568. Nagaland reported 21 fresh positive cases of COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total tally to 9,096, including 3 COVID deaths registered. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnew Phom in a tweet said 12 cases were reported from Kohima, 8 in Dimapur and 1 from Mokokchung. He also said that 152 patients have recovered, which included 140 from Dimapur, 10 in Kohima and 2 from Mon. Altogether, 7,606 patients have recovered, while 1,363 are active cases. Out of 44 registered deaths, 36 persons have died due to COVID infection, while 6 deaths are non-COVID and 2 deaths are under investigation. So far, 83 cases have migrated. Meghalaya Director of Schools, Education and Literacy, Ambrose C.H. Marak, has confirmed that the Domiasiat Government LP School at Domiasiat Village in southwest Khasi Hills district will be reopened in 2021, 14 years after closing it down. This was informed by Marak to the delegation of the Khasi Students Union Southwest Khasi Hills district who met him at his office at Shillong. The Domiasiat Government Lower Primary School was closed down by the government in 2007 after the people of the village opposed the public hearing on uranium mining at Nongba Jinrin. The government also transferred the 2 teachers to the government LP schools in Wakaji and Rangblang. The closure of the school has brought lots of problem to the people of this village, the leaders of the student body said. Online camp Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat 4 commenced yesterday for NCC cadets of Northeastern Region, West Bengal and Sikkim directorates. 250 associate NCC officers and cadets are attending the 6-day camp. NCC has been making continuous efforts to ensure that training of cadets does not get stalled due to the COVID-19 situation. As part of this initiative, NCC Group Headquarters Dibrugarh, on behalf of NCC Directorate Shillong, is conducting an online Ek Bharat Shrisht Bharat camp for NCC cadets of Northeastern Region and West Bengal and Sikkim Directorates. The camp will continue till 7th of this month. Major General Anand Bhoya, ADG NER Shillong, gave the opening address to all the participants of this camp. The General Officer during his address exhorted the cadets to fully utilize the 6-day camp through online interactive sessions which will be conducted. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.